Hi guys, and welcome back to Hither Green TMD in O gauge. Firstly, a little apology, the quality of the video isn't the best at the minute. I'm having dire issues with my camera that I use, which is my GoPro camera. It's pretty much past it, I think, and it's going to be going in the bin. I had bought another GoPro, but it turns out that that only has a wide angle lens, which is completely useless for in here, but it's fine for doing stuff outside. So what I've done is I've bought some parts to go on my wife's Canon digital SLR camera, which according to the resolution it is high definition, so hopefully that will work, and I'm going to be using that to video making the yard lights, which is why that video still hasn't been done. So I apologise for those of you who might be waiting to watch that video. It is coming, but I'm just waiting for some better camera equipment so that hopefully you can see properly what I am doing. So anyway, down to the matter in hand, the Class 60. As you know, I fitted the sound chip in an earlier video. However, I hadn't wired up the lights, and there were issues with wire out lights on the Heljan Class 60. And Kim Atkins has been in discussion with me this week. Thanks, Kim. It's been really useful, and we've got it done. What he done, he sent me a link to the Heljan website, and they had this thing here: how to install a DCC decoder in an O gauge Class 60. It's for an ESU chip. However, it lists the modifications that you need to do to the wiring and the plugs. You have to swap wires around on the plugs, on the lighting board, and various bits and pieces, and it tells you what to do and where to do it. So with that in mind, I then had to transpose it onto my Zimo chip, and Zimo have some nice drawings on the internet which show you all the pins and what they do on the decoder, and I've managed to get the Class 60 wired up with one exception, and that is the radiator compartment lights that light up the equipment in there. I don't appear to have a positive feed where I should be having a feed, so just going to do a little investigation into that, and we'll get that sorted. So in the meantime, we'll just provide you with this short video just to watch, you know, to take your mind off the coronavirus and everything else. Just enjoy your modelling, stay safe, and I'll see you next time.